In 15 minutes, we're going to head up to Australian town, which is 259 kilometers far away from Liverpool, New South Wales. I could just barely sleep, man. By the way, good morning. Long sleeves are a must to bring actually, because since we're going to work under the sun, we gotta wear something long sleeve, otherwise just we will die because of the hole in the air of Australia. I don't know how to say exactly, so you got me right? Guys, since you are with YouTuber, get used to this lens.
Here you go. Welcome to your coffee service.
It will be a kind of long journey, guys, maybe around 3 hours, maybe 2.5 or 3.
Good morning, Australia. Today we are going to be traveling the regional side of Australia.
Bro, there is a Turkish song, says in the lyric, I'm going to eat your mouth.
Eh.
Really? Farmers bombing their field. 1 hour.
1 hour? 1 hour?
It's been just an hour since we started the route and there are almost 2 hours left, so see you in the end of the journey. What the Kashif, how you get breathe in this back seat? How you get breathe in this back seat? Here is full of, petrol smell.
Exactly, that's why I got a headache. Why do you think I came to?
Guys, it's impossible getting breathe just because of this landscape equipment right over there. Actually, I cannot understand how this less than half meter distance between here and here can be reason that much smell difference. I feel kinda high actually.
Blast and snowstorm will not prevent officials from tracking Santa Claus on Christmas Eve. For 67 years, the US Canadian military known.
Today is Christmas Day, 25th of December 2022. Maybe there are a few cars just because of that here. Also, of course, today is Sunday. But still not too many cars in here.
I seem very interesting. No. What are you doing?
Here is actually church and monastery at the same time. Inside the fortress of this monastery, they are raising the future priests.
And this is life.
Guys, after an hour driving into the jungle, we get the signal. You see the field in there. These places are winery and barns around here.
Yeah, so he's literally the only Turk. He literally told him, "Are you Turkish? No way, we have to hang out." Phone number, please, please, but I swear to you, I'm like,
Only mall into the town and there is no any single car in the parking spot. Can you believe that? No. No.
no food today, boss. Hamburger, please!
That makes sense. There is no car.
Feels like I'm driving.
We gotta clean all these bushes and make here ready, hopefully today. eating chips, drinking Red Bull under this beautiful hot sun. We gotta clean here. Life is great in Australia. Right now we are figuring it out how will we remove these branches over here, because this branch surrounded by wineries and it will be harder to remove, but still there are some ways, so we are trying to find the solution for that. Hopefully if I will not sleep in here, because last time my friend just sleep again and again, but this time it seems a bit better. Funny guy. It's better to use ND filter from now. Wow, it's way better. I'm sorry for the previous shots. Here we go.
Where's the chainsaw?
What's chainsaw?
Oh my god.
Testere.
Why is it hot?
Come on, man. I recorded this beautiful and smart moment. Guys, we tried to clean here just less than an hour and could able to clean just a bit, not too much. As you see, this branch, this couple big branches, but there are a lot of them, maybe 80%, 90% of them still remain in here. But he decided to find another solution, because we cannot finish this cleaning within 1 or 2 days. He will find another solution. Doing last touch right now and put all the branches over there. Then we're gonna wash up how it was and how it is. Now we're going to go to the Newcastle beaches, which is eastern side. See you in Newcastle. And welcome to Newcastle. It will be my first time to swim in the ocean. Hope we will not see any shark. They told me don't go more than 200 meters because there might be shark. And also jellyfishes are dangerous as well. I got the fish. Guys, as I said, it was my first time to swimming in this beautiful blue waters. Now it's time to head back to the home. Let's back to my crib again. Approaching end of the video, ladies and gentlemen, I'm warning you. You must use sunscreen no matter what. My skin turned red completely for some reason. Even I cannot change my t-shirt without screaming. I'm not kidding, really. I'm not exaggerating. Can you see my face? And my arm, actually, I can barely move my left arm. It's most damaged one. Right arm, I don't know if you can see, but it turned completely red right now. Actually, sunlight more dangerous than combine all animals like shark, jellyfishes, kangaroos, alligators, spiders, or snakes. While average animal-related death 32 people per year, around 1300 people die because of the skin cancer in this beautiful Aussie land. So let's get back to story. During Christmas holiday, we decided to help to clean out my friend's land, which is in small coal mining village called Muswellbrook in regional side of New South Wales. Since weather is crazy hot and there are heaps of works that we cannot finish in a day, we decided to leave the work and drove to Newcastle Beach. Guys, waves were mind-blowing. Living summer end of the year was also fantastic. Well, don't ask me about my skin. Then we tried to find an open restaurant. Hopefully Macca's was open in this Christmas day. I guess I liked it. Like other few restaurants like Pizza Hut and Krispy Kreme. It was a really beautiful day. I enjoyed a lot. Hope you enjoyed too. So, see you soon. Have a good one. By the way, don't forget to use your sunscreen.